Number 3 is Canon PIXMA G620 MegaTank Photo Printer. The Canon PIXMA G620 wireless MegaTank printer is an optimistic choice for anyone searching for the best sublimation printer under $500. With its remarkable features and outstanding performance, this printer is a game-changer in photo printing. Designed to cater to your printing needs, the Canon PIXMA G620 offers a high page yield, allowing you to print up to 3,800 4" by 6" color photos on a single ink set. Say goodbye to constant ink replacement and hello to uninterrupted photo printing bliss. What sets this printer apart is its cost efficiency. With an approximate ink cost of only 2.5 cents per 4" by 6" color photo, you can unleash your creativity without breaking the bank. The 6-color dye-based ink system, including unique red and gray inks, enhances the color gamut, bringing your photos to life with vibrant and accurate hues. Despite its powerful capabilities, the Canon PIXMA G620 boasts a clean and compact design, making it a perfect fit for any space. Whether it's your home office or a creative studio, this printer seamlessly blends in while delivering exceptional results. So if you like this sublimation printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number